Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is day 0.5. We're about to go to the airport. Woo! Right over there, you can't see. He's dropping off his car, bringing his skateboard, and I had to tell him to bring his skateboard because he wasn't bringing his skateboard when it's obviously a rule to bring his skateboard every time.
Jibrell, what the?
For real, what the? Jibrell is gonna do a kickflip in traffic on the way to LAX.
Oh, he's got this.
Get your car!
Oh shit.
Gotta land it!
That was it!
Hashtag do it for the vlog.
Dude, I don't know about this right now.
Good way to stretch your legs before the flight. Dude, I can go everywhere.
Oh my god.
I'll go in now.
I'm trying to leave it.
Later. Passport. Alright, that was from you. Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Who you're being on a little bit better.
Why you gotta judge a book by its cover?
Okay. Everyone, if you could take a really quick look at Adam Baring on the other side of the camera.
Just a bunch of smiles. What do you want? Damn, you look sick right now. Of course, they random check me again.
Yeah.
Gate 153.
153 that way.
I wonder how they're gonna treat us on the flight in Air Tahiti. Let's find out.
This is how the bags work.
Air Tahiti treating us good.
Biodegradable smoothie. Some sort of pasta.
Fancy pudding.
Some green cheese. And some apple juice.
And a movie.
Just took like a nap.
And then they woke us up for crepes. Oh, whoa! It is nasty hot. Oh, it's like 5 in the morning.
Yeah.
Huh?
How many blankets did you acquire, Adam?
1.
Surprise.
And I dropped my other pillow, so I grabbed a random pillow. These pillows came through, dude. And then I was sitting by myself, too.
Dude, me too, and I got window seat.
Really? Me too. Dude. Lilo and Stitch. My line's going faster than Jibrell's. Naked Indians.
Anyways, we're gonna go get our rent-a-car. So hopefully that works out. We're still under 25. Whoa.
You're ready to swim with the sharks?
Yeah, I want to do that.
Sharks? What? Will they bite it?
Using the actual the data and stuff. If we turn the Wi-Fi off, Does it stop using like the data? Okay, cool. I said I feel so grown up getting a rental car. Like I did that all by myself, Mom. Hey, first one. You left your umbrella in my car, and I'm taking it to Tahiti. And yeah, thank you.
Oh, getting wet. I'm getting wet. No, my bag is getting soaked. I'm getting soaked. Hey, this is our hotel for the next 10 days. Alright. Dude, I'm so wet.
Cringy! Cringy! So wet. Alright, so we're having a little of a difficult time turning this car on. Dude,
Put that key next to that thing and then just touch it. Oh, I thought I did it. Are you on the brake?
No, dude.
Brake, put the clutch in, put it in first.
It doesn't even go, the brake doesn't even go down. Oh.
Oh my god, I knew it. I called it from the outside. I called it from the outside. Let's see if he stalls first go.
Hey, I've only driven manual a couple times, so this is gonna be kind of a wild experience right now.
Hey, it's 4-wheel drive. That means it's rear-wheel drive in the back. That means you can drift it around and go nuts.
Dude, no. Dude, no. No. It's under my
You got
fucking credit card.
insurance.
No, I didn't. I had the most basic one.
You'd be dealing with?
Like the whole time.
Maybe the whole time.
But, smile as a Draco Fox.
Yeah, whatever he said.
Manual wife. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, and I stopped.
Oh, the first stall of the trip.
How do I do this?
Brake and clutch. Hey, welcome to Hilton, Jibrell, and Adam. We're gonna set up our house for the next 8 days.
Oh. We're here somewhere in Tahiti. This is our car slash hotel slash freaking beast like vehicle. I've been driving it in the freaking pouring rain. Don't get your ass smacked. Don't get your ass smacked. Merci. It finally stopped raining. We're at some random supermarket. That bathroom had to be opened and unlocked. And it's behind that cage. We thought we were gonna get locked in.
Whoa, look how blue the water is from here. The sun is almost out.
Oh, ping pong game! Oh, dude, I think those are mangoes.
Oh my, I love mangoes.
Damn.
It's just coral, huh? Dead coral.
Yeah. Dude, good use of the words, Adam.
See if the water's 80 degrees. It's tepid. What's blue then? Because the water's clear.
What's blue with Adam Barron?
Hashtag do it for the vlog.
Oh,
But this is your mission. I'm filming it right now. Saving the planet. Because Tahiti's not going to be here in 10 more years.
Tahiti's not going to be here, but our trash is. So we thought we were good with the couple pieces of trash we picked up, and then we happened across a little wall, and look what we found. Aisle of trash.
Whoa, they're growling at me. Go. Reverse. Find the friction zone.
Oh, no.
Hey, these dogs are growling. There you go. Right now? No, you're. He's nervous. It's okay. All right, you got it. Clutch out.
Oh my god. Do you want to just take over?
No. You got this. You got this. Turn on, go, I'll show you right now.
Vous avez lu le premier?
Yeah, right here. I show him right here. You close the door, because you can't drive away. You can't drive away with the door open, bro. Okay. All right. Throttle. Thank you.
We just took a 2-hour nap. It was great. We just sat on these tables. Someone just pulled up, but it overlooks this really like nice lake.
Like, it's the ocean.
All right, I guess someone's going full on poetry now.